Hello students, and this is the last lectures of that topics, the electrical current through the conductors, 11th topics of 11th standard physics. Then in these lectures we are just discuss the types of the cells, how much types of the cells, and we are discuss the three different types of the cells, that is primary cells, secondary cells and fuel cells for vehicles. This is the mainly three types of the cells we are discussed in the same lecture. This is lectures. Then take the heading types of cells. Types of cells. The electrical cells can be divided in several categories, that is primary cells, secondary cells and fuel cells, etc. In these lectures we are discuss the first primary cells. Now primary cells. The first point of the primary cells, a primary cells cannot be charged again and it cannot be used again. It used only one times. It cannot be charged again and it use only once, only one times, that is only once. And second point, this is some examples. It has the low cost and easy to use. The primary cells, it is low cost and easy to use. It has low cost and easy to use. This is the second point of the primary cells. But this could not be handled, this could not be suitable for the heavy load of current, but these could not be suitable for heavy load of current, for heavy load. And example of this, the dry cell, the mainly and useful examples, dry cells and it is dry cells and alkaline cells. And alkaline cells are mainly two examples of the second types of the cells I will discuss now. Secondary cell. Secondary cell. In the secondary cells, just some factors are reversed as per primary cells. It can be rechargeable. It is rechargeable and use again. This is rechargeable. These are the rechargeable and reused. These are rechargeable and reused. Rechargeable and reused. The second points which can be discussed in this part, the chemical reactions in the secondary cells are reversed. The chemical reactions in secondary cells is reversed. In secondary cell is reversed. And the lead acid cell is the one of the best examples of the secondary cells. It is useful in the another vehicles. It used for the heavy load of current, and it could not be used for heavy load of current, but secondary cell is used. It used for heavy load of current, heavy load current. And the one of the best example for the secondary cell, it is the solar cell. Solar cell are the secondary cell and it convert the solar energy to the electrical energy. Solar cells are converted the solar energy to electrical energy. And third and important part, when we are discuss important types of the cells, we are discuss here, that is fuel cell vehicles, fuel cells of vehicle or fuel cells. The third, fuel cells vehicles. Fuel cells vehicles. This is the third types of the cells. They are electrical cells are used as fuel cells instead of the lead acid. This is the electrical cells. These are electrical cells. And instead of the lead acetate battery for power of the vehicles, it is used for the power of the vehicles, for power of vehicles. These are a third. And the hydrogen is used as a fuel in a fuel cells. The hydrogen used as a fuel in third type of cells. This is fuel cells. Hydrogen is used as a fuel in a third type of cells. This is fuel cells. The byproduct is used when the reactions are happen in the third type of the cells, fuel cells. The byproduct I will be gives, the water is the byproduct, and byproduct is water when it burn. And last important things, they are environmental friendly. It is more environmental friendly cells. These are all types of the cells, all about the types of the cells. First, the primary cells, it cannot be charged again. It used only one times, and it have low cost and easy to use. This could not be suitable for the heavy load of the current. And examples of the dry cells and alkaline cells, we are used some pencil cells. This is the types of the primary cells. In the secondary cells, these are rechargeable and reused. They are rechargeable and reused. The chemical reactions in a secondary cells is reversed, and the types or examples is in lead acid cells. It is used a heavy load of the current, and the solar cells are the secondary cells, are one of the types of secondary cells, and they are converted to solar energy to the electrical energy. And the third and last type of the cells, or the last content of this topic, that is fuel cells vehicles. The electrical cells for power, the electrical cell, this is the electrical cells used fuel cells instead of the lead acid battery for the power of the vehicles. And the hydrogen used as a fuel in a fuel cells, then byproduct gives the water by when it will burn after the reactions. and it is a more environmental friendly. This is all about the topics of electrical current through the conductors. In the next lecture, just we will start the topic number 12 of 11th standard physics, the magnetism. And this topic, the electric current through the conductor, is finished now.